Hey entrepreneurs, it's Sam Day here from Day Tips, and in this video I'm speaking about how marketers use email. So email is one of the most essential skills as a digital marketer, and if you're someone who is running a business, maybe you're running an e-commerce store or maybe you're running a service business, how can you use email to help to boost your online sales? And if you're a marketer as well, what skills do you need to learn in order to do marketing more effectively? Well, first and foremost, email is still one of the highest converting forms of marketing. So regardless of what you're doing, whether that be paid traffic, social media marketing, video marketing, article writing, email should play a really strong role in your overall marketing. So whatever you're doing now in your business, if you are not using email and you start using email in the right way, you can literally 10x whatever it is you're doing simply by incorporating some email marketing strategies. So first and foremost, the simple way to use email marketing is to use what's known as a lead magnet. I speak about this often on this YouTube channel. That's where you create something of value to give away for free. So that word value is really important in email marketing because what you see as valuable and what your target audience see as valuable might be two different things. So it's really important for you to understand your target audience as best as you can. So what things pain them? What things keep them up at night? And what things are they excited or motivated by? Use this information to figure out what you can give away that is valuable for free in return for a name and an email address. So once you have subscribers and you have your target audience subscribed to your mailing list, the most obvious way to reach them is by sending them an email. So you can send them emails that kind of help them out. So content-based emails, you don't have to be selling in every single email, but that can be to help you to build trust. And if they trust your emails and they're opening your emails a little bit more, that could potentially improve your overall open rates. And obviously you want to be promoting what you have going on in your business as well. So if you have a special offer when certain times of the year come, maybe Christmas or Black Friday or Valentine's Day or whatever it might be, you can send a targeted email to your list to help promote whatever offers you have on your platform. So marketers understand that email is important because it is a platform that you actually own. So if you build up a huge following on Instagram or YouTube, for example, technically you are building your platform on rented land. You don't own those followers. You don't have access to their names and email addresses. Actually, it's the social media platforms that have all of that data. And they can decide to kick you off their platform at any moment. Or you might notice at any point that your reach is just not as high as it used to be, even with the same or similar amount of subscribers or followers on social media, because you're kind of at mercy to the algorithm in a way. Whereas with email marketing, that's different. You're not going to kick yourself off of your email marketing platform, and you can always export your data as well. Obviously, you have to be very careful with how you do this because you want to comply with GDPR and any relevant laws at the particular time for data protection. But that being said, you have a lot more leeway in terms of how you reach your customers than you do if you solely rely on social media. So if you've seen any of my content about paid marketing, so if you're paying for traffic to your website via Google ads or YouTube ads or Instagram or LinkedIn or Facebook. So whenever I've gone into an organization and I've helped them with their advertisements and we've started using their email addresses of their past customers as a targeting option, it always drastically improves the way in which their adverts run. So if you're someone who has tried paid advertisement before for your business or for your company and it just hasn't worked for you and you haven't used your email database to help you to run those ads, I highly recommend you go back to it and run those ads again using your email database as a targeting option and see how much better your ads actually perform. If you want more information on how you can run paid ads using email, then I'll leave some links in the description down below to some of my LinkedIn courses as well as some of my videos here on YouTube that will show you some of the basics on how to do that. So there are a few things to keep in mind with regards to email marketing if you're someone who wants to take it seriously, and I as a marketer highly recommend that you do. The first thing is building landing pages. So I use a platform called Lead Pages. I'll leave my affiliate link to Lead Pages in the description down below. Now, I know there's so many websites out there now that can help you to build landing pages. And to be honest, you can probably build landing pages from your own website as well. If you're using WordPress or Shopify or whatever it might be, there are options to help you to create your own landing pages. You don't necessarily need a Lead Pages or a similar account. But we've all heard of like platforms like ClickFunnels, for example. So for me personally, I feel like some of these platforms can be a little bit gimmicky. That being said, if there is a platform that you really like when it comes to building landing pages, for me it's Lead Pages, then I recommend doing that, because the quicker you can create effective landing pages, the easier it's going to be for you to accumulate email. I'll leave some of the links to my Lead Pages reviews in the description down below as well. So another thing about email marketing is you want to make sure you're sending emails using your professional email address. So don't use a Google or a Yahoo account. My email address, for example, is sam@daytips.com, and that's what I use for my bulk email marketing. Now, Gmail and Yahoo Mail are doing a new thing now where if you don't have a professional email, then your emails are a lot more likely to end up in the spam filter. So it's kind of almost pointless doing email marketing if you're using Gmail or Yahoo Mail, because this can really mess up your deliverability going forward. So if you don't have a professional email, it's really easy. You can use a platform like Namecheap. I'll leave links to Namecheap in the description down below. Quickly go and get a domain and you can start sending emails using that platform as well. If there's a particular aspect of marketing that you want me to cover, then make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. But hopefully this one on email has helped some of you out. And if you're not using email, I actually use Aweber. I'm an affiliate for Aweber. I've been using them for years. I'll leave my links in the description down below. This platform will help you to start your email list, to build your email list, to build landing pages, and it makes it seamless for you to manage your email marketing. And you can actually start for free as well. You don't need any money to start as an Aweber customer. So if you do not have an email list yet and you're not actively building one for your business or for your company, sign up to Aweber and start the process today. But I hope that this video brought you value. If it did, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. But until next time, have a great day and I'll see you soon.